Hey brownies, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do a get ready with me. It is a 3-in-1 grown and sexy edition. Okay, so getting right into it, I already did my brows, you guys, and if you haven't watched my tutorial already, what are you doing with yourself? So I am using this Juvia's Place the Warrior 2 palette. I love this palette, you guys, because it is literally perfect for us beginners. Those of you guys that are just getting into eyeshadow, this is for you. So I'm using these two colors to just go ahead and blend into my crease. I just want something to help with the transitioning and, you know, help me blend everything, because I don't want to look like I got black all over my lid, and you guys will see I'm going to put black later. And I'm going to go ahead and also put the burgundy in there as well, and that's just going to help to warm up the crease a little bit. Now I'm gonna put this charcoal right onto my my crease, and you guys, I'm gonna blend this a little bit down into my lid because you need to just take your time with this. It took me a while to blend this out, and I probably need to go ahead and get some new brushes because I'm realizing that these eyeshadows are not hard to blend, but it's literally my eyeshadow brushes. They suck. So take your time and blend it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this black. It's like the perfect matte black, and I would suggest to, if you want to be able to intensify the color, make sure you use, you know, some spray to intensify the color, and then blend out that harsh line with a clean brush. Now I am going to conceal around the areas where I usually highlight. I am using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Toast. I love doing this before I put on foundation because it helps to give me a little bit more coverage before I put on the foundation, and I don't want to look like a cake face, so doing this step is like crucial for me. So now I'm going to use my Born This Way foundation. This is in the color Tiramisu, and I'm going to just blend this around the perimeters of my face. This is like the perfect color for me, you guys. Like, I just love this foundation. It is super lightweight and it's just perfection. I love this foundation. Now I'm going to highlight now with the Pro Concealer. This is in the color Toffee. I am in love with this color. Like, you guys, when this color blends underneath my eyes, you just see how everything just comes together. You see that? Like, I love this. I love this concealer, like this color, because I used to use too of a light color underneath my eyes, but this one is like perfect. I would also suggest to use, you know, a brush to blend in your concealer first before using a beauty blender. This helps to pack on more coverage, and I really need a lot of coverage underneath my eyes because I have like those deep setted, you know, those lines underneath my eyes. So I really need to conceal that perfectly. And just go ahead, use your beauty blender, make sure it melts into your skin. Just take your time and blend it all out. Just keep on dabbing, dabbing, dabbing. Now I'm using my Fenty matchstick. This is in the color Espresso. I love to use this to just bring in a little bit of color, not really to contour my face. I just want to give it a little bit more of that deeper color on the outer parts of my face. When it comes to actually contouring, I use a powder to do that, and you guys will see that later. So I just put on some lashes. These are my Kiss lashes, double layer, 03. And then I'm gonna put some black eyeshadow underneath my eyes. Dance a little bit because I'm feeling myself. So now I'm using the Juvia's Place. This is the Saharan palette, and I'm using this gold color just to pop into my inner tear ducts, you guys. I honestly wasn't gonna do that, but I was like, you know what, let me give it a little bit extra glam to what I'm trying to do here, okay? And I'm gonna blend it out so it's not just sitting there, and then also put it on your eyebrow bone as well. Do you guys just see how this look is coming together? So this is where I'm contouring. So you guys, I am using my Black Radiance pressed powder. This is in the color Black Coffee. This is like the perfect powder ever. Like, I love this powder. I swear by it. Like, look how it just transforms my face. Now I'm going to highlight using the Wet n Wild Hello Halo. This is in the color Goddess Glow, and this just gives me, I don't know, just puts everything all together. Like, don't you see that? Aren't you guys proud of me? I feel like my makeup has gotten extremely better. So I'm using any brown lip liner to line the outer parts of my lips, and also I'm going to put on my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Dubai, and then my Victoria's Secret Lip Plumper in the center. It just gives it a nice pretty look. I don't need it to plump my lips, okay? And if you guys aren't following me already, follow me on my Snapchat. I am always posting little videos on there while I'm, you know, doing my cutesy stuff. So this is my wig, you guys. This is the Asteria hair Brazilian straight that I cut into a bob in my last video. As you guys can see, it is nice and bumped and curled and bangs. Ah, you see it? You see it? I just love how it looks like this. Like, it looks so delicious. And then lastly, for the outfit, it is a dress by Lulus.
All the baby girls want shop. Ghana girls, them a chop uncle. All the baby girls want shop. Shop. All the baby girls want shop. Ghana girls, them a chop uncle. All the baby girls want shop. Shop.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Stay awesome and stay blessed. I love you guys.